Now the next topic is commercial units of energy. Okay, so commercial units of energy, generally I'll tell you the question that is asked in exam. Generally it is given that kilowatt hour and watt hour. These units stand for what? Okay, or these units represent which physical quantity? So what the most of the answers they tell or the students tell is these are the units of power. Why they tell they are the units of power? Because they see here kilowatt or watt, but they don't see the next term hour here. Okay, if we substitute the quantity in spite of watt or kilowatt, what we get is power. These are the units of power, so we have substituted power. Here for hour or the hour, what is the physical quantity? It is time. You know that power is work done upon time. So from here work done is equal to power into time. So this is the formula for power. Sorry, this is the formula for work done. Work done is equal to power into time. So if you are asked kilowatt hour and watt hour, these are the units for which physical quantity, then what will be the answer? The answer will be these are the units of electrical energy. These two are there because energy and work done are equivalent. What will be the answer? It will be these are the commercial units of energy, because energy which comes in our households is sold in these units. The bill which we are paying for our electricity consumption in our homes, it is paid on the basis of these units. Suppose in our house 1 kilowatt hour energy is consumed in 1 hour. Okay, so if you are paying the bill for a month, if this bulb is glowing or the one bulb is there and that bulb is consuming this much of energy for 1 hour and this is for 1 day, okay, and if we are using it for 30 days, what we'll do, we'll multiply it all, and if it is there that the rate for 1 unit is 1 paise, if the rate is that for 1 unit you will be required to pay 1 paise. So how much you will pay? How much will be the total energy consumption? This is the energy consumption per day, and if for full month it is asked, you will multiply by 30, so that will be 30 kilowatt hour. Now because if you have to pay the bill, that should be multiplied by the exact cost we are given for, or we are defined for 1 unit. You will multiply it with the cost, then what you will get is 30 paise. Clear? So 30 paise we have to pay for this much. Clear? This is a simple example, but this is 30 paise is not generally the fixed cost for 1 unit. This cost is higher than this. I just gave an example. Are you clear with this? This example is also given in your books here. Okay, here you can see household consumption of electrical energy. From here you can see the example, how much costing and all, how you will measure that. Then here you can see one more topic, power rating of common electrical appliances.